So here's what happened. We dropped on the fuel tank, which is right over here. Again, for the second time. Fuel tank's down. Awesome. And I found which fuel lines actually rusted out, but we're going to replace the both fuel lines. One's actually a feed fuel line, and one is a return line, or aka evap line. That's what they call it. So I bought both of them. I'll leave the links in the description for them. They'll be here sometime next week. And let me show you which one broke off really easy in my hand. And it was this one. It was the actual feed line. So here it is. As you can see, the feed line is rusted and broken. There was, I guess, a little pinhole in it. So what I'm going to do is remove the actual metal line from here and plug it in. But I think the one that I ordered came with all of this. I'm not 100% sure. I don't think so, actually. I think it just came as the metal line, and then I have to reuse this plastic, because this plastic one is actually pretty good, and nothing's wrong with it. So what I'm going to do is try to remove this line out, and then after that, just wait for the new one to come in. So what I also want to do is probably remove my tank from underneath the truck again, store it back in the garage just in case, or I don't know if to just leave it out here. Leave everything plugged in for right now. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I can just leave it all under the truck and no one will notice. And I just drop the truck back down. I can do that too. But anyway, let me just work on getting this metal line off, and then I'll talk with you guys later. Alrighty guys, so we basically got down the tank like I told y'all. And what I did was I removed the entire feed line. Right, and here is the metal piece of the line that's actually broken off. So what I have to do is try to remove this metal piece of line without damaging this plastic line, because we're going to reuse this because it's still good. And I'm going to wait for the new lines to come in. Now I have the return line and the fuel feed line coming in. And what I'm going to do, instead of trying to find the exact routing of these older lines and removing the older lines, I'm going to just wait for the new ones to come in, install the new ones over the old ones, and leave the old ones in there to rot out and rot away for all I care, until I actually do the entire restoration of this truck. Once the restoration is actually done of this truck, then I will work on removing the actual lines. But until then, we're just going to work on doing it this way. So I will see you guys in a few. Alrighty guys, so let's recap. We finally got down the gas tank. We removed one of the lines that were rotten. Now the plan is to wait for the two new lines to come in. Once they come in, I'm going to route the two new lines in, leave the old lines there to rot, because I don't have the time, patience, or space to really reroute or remove the old ones. So we're going to just route the new ones over the old ones, zip tie them on, let the old ones rot away, and wait till the restoration part of the truck takes place. That way, when I remove the body from the frame and I'm cleaning everything up, I can route everything nice and neat. So until then, I'm going to end this video here. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and make sure to leave a comment, because I know you guys like to comment. Let me know your thoughts on what's going on with this build. Other than that, I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.